So, as y'all might have seen in one of the podcasts, it wasn't really a podcast, it was a little video. My media manager, she was on me about these panels. And as you can see up here, I put my little, I command clip stick thing because I didn't want to put no hole in my wall. Well, it kept falling. I've been hesitating to do it, so what I'm doing now, I'm gonna go ahead and hang this one up. And we're gonna see how I roll, and then we're gonna go from there. So, what I'm doing is putting the hinges on it, which I already had on it, but I had to flip them a little bit because I need to do something a little different. Media. I love her though. I love Alex. She out rapping me. She pushed me, you know. Cause you know your boy work a full-time job, you know. Sometimes I be tired, but she tricked me. See, she real sweet. She say stuff, and then she asks me, and I say, yeah, I'll do it. And then 4 hours later, she be like, oh, you promised me. You need to go ahead and do this. I'm like, well, I got kind of late. But anyway. She pushed me though, y'all. She pushed me. You need somebody in your life that's gonna push you to the max. So what we gonna do here, I'm taking more wire. And we will cut it. Make sure it's on. So measure this out. This might be hitting the wall a little too much for me. We'll test it out though.
And she looked like, where you going, Katie? Where you going? Where you going, Pumpkin? Where you going?
Got my partner here, Jay Meadows. He gonna help me. It's too late now. You in the video now. You in the video. Put this right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut this off.
Mm-hmm. Hold on, let me get this here right here.
Mm-hmm. So, and with this, it's gonna be a single, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we want is,
matter of fact, I can go ahead and tie that. So, they need to be in a knot.
yeah, don't twist it until it's secure.
Yeah. I don't trust that. I know I can't treat it like it's a string, but we're gonna do it. We'll get it like that. All right. It's that real string, so you can't be trying to twist it with your hand. If you'll be done, put this thing in your hand, it'll be done. All right. Now, same on this one.
Put that by right there.
Work with me now. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on off easy now. I'm trying to play. As you can see, mine ain't look like his. His seems to be a little bit more secure, but that looks can be deceiving. Looks can be deceiving. If this fall off, we just ain't gonna put no panel on this side. And my media, she looking at me right now, but it's gonna be okay. She don't think I'll fight her. I'll fight her. I won't fight her. I don't hit women. I'm sorry. I'm playing.
So that's good. I'll put that on.
I'm about to cut this off. One cut. Come on. The wall getting all banged up.
Well, let's see, we can slide these down a bit.
Yeah, get that. You want to bring it down a little?
Yeah. So we can have the thing. Because that's going to be too high. And Lord, I have brought my drill. That was been surprising me all day.
He said we've been surprising you.
Yeah, all day.
Doing a little work. It's a little work, Jay. We, appreciate you, man. Hold on. All right. I'm gonna hold it for you. You go ahead. Yeah. A little pressure on it. That ain't right now. I'm too tight yet. I should play some Christmas music. All right. Got it down. Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you got to go real slow, Jay.
Yeah.
A little pressure.
Mm-hmm.
And real slow.
Get in real nice.
Get in real nice. That's, And then before you know it, that's for the night version.
Drill it on.
Take it on to the house. So, I was thinking about a lesson in this, and I would say the lesson would be sometimes if it don't work out the first time, try another procedure. That's all you got to do. Just try another procedure. It's all good. Because it ain't worked the first time, don't mean it won't work. Doesn't mean you need to just change up some stuff.
How we doing?
You'll be fine. I ain't put you on camera?
No.
I can't put you on camera?
No.
So why you talking to me in here?
Y'all got the first one up yet?
This the first one here.
Oh, Lord, that take a long time.
That's the only one we putting up right now.
Oh, okay, well,
we
bless
gonna
Jehovah.
We gonna work this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So, I know for a fact that what? Little hands on me? Why I feel little hands on me? I know for a fact this is I That ain't how that's supposed to work.
Go, baby. Go, baby. I'm proud of you. Go, baby.
All right, come on up.
You got it.
Oh, Jesus. Be
I'm
a
all right.
privacy fence.
I'm all right.
I'm not.
I'm all right.
Fix it.
Oh, I'm all right.
I'm all right. We got to pay that tonight.
I'm all right, Jay. I'm all right. I'm all right.
Pay that tonight.
All right. I'm okay. I'm all right. We just got to cover it. All right.
So see this right here? You ain't gonna be able to see it. It looks real flush, real nice.
Okay. So I need to just get it up, of course, over that. Jesus.
If you want to, you can put it right at it.
Hey.
Right at the tip.
Right up there?
Uh-huh. Yep. So you bam it right at the top of it, and then you good.
Oh, it's going like that.
Mm-hmm.
That way. All right.
What you gonna get?
Oh, Lord Jesus. Ooh. Oh, that's ugly. That's ugly. Oh, that's so ugly. So I need to put it this far? Because we need to...
Yeah,
So we're going to move that one so it will be closer in.
Yeah, we'll work on that one.
On that one?
Yeah, we'll do that one.
All right. We can go right there.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
You can just hold the base. The nail ain't going nowhere.
So you done did it before.
Oh yeah.
So you forgot you a construction worker.
Art department. Uh-huh.
Oh, busting the chair. Is it?
No, you gotta keep going.
Oh, shit. Oh, Father. Help me, Jesus.
Yep, keep going. There we go. All right.
So they ain't going nowhere.
It ain't going nowhere.
That is a real... Huh.
One hole.
That's all right there. The way they instruction that, see? Sometimes you got to listen. Let me tell you something. Sometimes you got to listen to people too. Because Jay told me, he said you can put it anywhere on the top. I told him, no, you can't. You got to put it in the back. But I didn't realize how structured it was. Listen, can't know everything. Just listen sometimes. Would you agree? Just listen sometimes. I help him, he helped me.
It's going to hide the fact that that paint is off the wall.
Yeah, it's going to hide the pain.
All right.
All right.
One hand on that string right now.
All right. One hand on the string. All right. So now we're going to climb up the wall. We're going up. All right.
You need me to hold you, baby?
No, I'm fine. I'm all right. All right. We got connection.
All right.
Now we just
Ease it down.
gotta
Scoot it over. All right.
make sure she hangs right.
Slide it to the left a little more. All right.
Still uneven? We good? Mobley.
Yeah, that look good to me.
That look good, baby. Oh, glory to the Lamb of the Lord.
Now, hopefully, this panel stays up and does not fall. And I won't have to come down here with my pistol again when it falls, thinking somebody done broken my eye. This has been, it's just me. I'm putting up the panel. Cause my media manager was talking trash, but I used her husband to help me. So now
And I'm here too, baby, but not on camera.
she
You
here.
did good.
She here too, but she ain't on camera. Listen, don't know everything. Sometimes you got to ask for help. Put a hole in the wall. I got that patches in the wall. Jesus have me. Y'all pray for me. Huh? This has been Johnnie Mobley Jr.
And his wife, Deidre.
And I'm out. She here. She just on real camera. Peace out.